A couple years ago, my fiancé and I purchased a home that was basically stuck in the 80s. One of the areas we wanted to start with was the entryway. It was painted an awful mustard color, smelled like nicotine, and the closet was just not functional at all. So we decided to paint everything a crisp white. We replaced the front door, we ripped out the closet, and created a little temporary mudroom area. And now that we've been in the home for a couple years, we further wanted to renovate that area, and so we got rid of this partial wall that really stood out as a 1970s, 1980s style home. And because we had already done the flooring, we had to tie in the replacement. So we ripped up a couple of those pieces and then replaced them with fresh ones. And stay tuned for the next step of this little mini renovation.